Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanjopagama. Tonight on Uzalo, Nosipha life falls apart when Pastor Kuala found out she is pregnant. And Pastor Kuala thinks that the member of the church see that Nosipho is pregnant, but he does not believe them. But now he knows that he was the fool all the time. While Inosipho, it seems like wants to break up with Kuala because of she is pregnant. And it seems like Pastor Kuala is disappointed on his church members and his mother. While Sbu enjoying Sophie with their new friends, Mtambisi, but Mtambisi wants to search Kunzi on Sbu, and Sbu it seems like he gave all information that want by Mtambisi, and Mtambisi is on Kapsile. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.